You want to transform your boring workspace to an incredibly beautiful FL Studio. You want themes that are great for your eyes at night, but you also want to go outside and actually see what you're producing. At the end of this video, you will know exactly how to do that. And you can download my theme pack completely for free. Step 1. Changing the background. To do this, go to the View menu on top and find Background. Then click Set Image Wallpaper. From here, you can choose whatever you want. These wallpapers are from my free pack, by the way. Step 2. Changing the theme. Head over to Options and then find Theme Settings. You're about to learn what every button does. First, you can choose one of the templates and work from there. Or you can just keep the default one. Let's take a look at the first button. This is the Hue knob. Hue means nothing more than color. I suggest you change the color of FL Studio to match the background you picked, unless you're trying to create contrast. Step 3. Saturation is basically the purity of your color. So if you would turn this knob to the left, you will only see black and white. If you turn the saturation up, the colors in FL Studio will be boosted. Step 4. Brightness. This is what you want to use to tweak your current theme. If you want to create a pure black or pure black theme, you gotta turn these knobs all the way to the left or to the right. Keep in mind, this will get rid of most of your colors. I actually work on my MacBook sometimes, and when I'm outside, the white theme is a real blessing. Step 5. Contrast. The more you turn this knob to the right, the more the blacks and whites will be boosted and separated. The less contrast you add, the flatter your theme will look. Step 6. The text knob. With this one, you can adjust the brightness of your text in FL Studio. Take a look at the text in the browser panel. You probably want to change this when you have a very dark or super bright theme. Step 7. Adjusting the colors and highlights. With the color pickers on the bottom, you can do a lot. Let's say you have a purple only theme. Then the button highlights will be pink. You can do the same thing with the meters, by the way. This looks really cool. Step 8. Saving your preset. This is extremely important if you want to switch between the presets during the day. This preset you've just saved is an actual file you can share with your friends. That's why you can download all my themes in the description down below. You can easily install them by going to Documents, Image Line, FL Studio, Settings, Themes. Then just drag them in here. The backgrounds are also included in the pack. Thank you guys so much for watching.